This camping ground is actually a government camping ground. I actually paid $36 for this. It depends on the location. Some government camping ground is just $8. Actually, some are still free. I bought this table so that when I am cooking, I'll have freedom to move. And that's it. We are going now. Yeah, that couple from far away, they are not beautiful. But yeah, closer they are very beautiful. Yeah, both the guy and the girl, especially the girl. They greet me good morning, and so I said good morning as well. They are the one on the FJ Cruiser, the one with the roof tent. And these two, this other couple, they are yeah, I didn't see them last night. Maybe they arrived late. You know, there is no internet connection in this yeah, Lake Monmora. So I have not been online for a long time. And that's it, we go. Yeah, there are some people now. Oh, we stop here because as I was driving, yeah, it opens by itself. I forgot to lock it. Okay, now safe. Oh, we stop here in one of the car park because I'm already hungry. Yeah, so I'm going to eat this first because if I don't eat it, I will be tempted to eat in McDonald's or in the mall. So I'm going to eat it now. Okay, finish. Yeah, I'm going to wash it in the house, and I still have rice here. So I like this trip. Yeah, I didn't spend much. I spent $36 for the camping ground, for the rice, $14. But that rice is 5 kg, so I don't have any more rice in the house, and some snacks. And we are now here in Bennett's Green, in front of Super Cheap. But I'm actually going to Anaconda, that side. Yeah, to check for hiking shoes. Okay, ready. You know, if you look at this in Google Map, yeah, this area, it looks empty, like a vacant lot. Empty, but there are the names of this establishment. It says here up to 50% Father's Day. Look at this crocus. The brand new is beautiful. The old one is not beautiful. Look at the prices. It's expensive. $209. This one also $209. This is the one that I like. It's waterproof, but it's $179. Yeah, this one is $239. The other brands, they are also in the same price range. Actually, this is the cheapest, the one that I like. Yeah, we just browsed inside, didn't buy anything. So I think that's it. We are going home now. And we are now here in McDonald's, here in Charlestown, near the airport. It is near to Newcastle Airport. But do you know that the Newcastle Airport is actually inside the Port Stephen? Yeah, in Port Stephens. I'm going to pick up my order. Order online from the app. And you know, this is my very first time to buy something like this. Yeah, a shake. Even before that I was in the Philippines or in Dubai, I don't buy something like this. Because I usually eat in the restaurant like this or in any restaurant. Yeah, to satisfy, to make me full. And I usually order a meal, rice meal especially. Not something like this. Oh, but this one is delicious. The flavor is salted caramel. Yeah. And the first thing that I'm going to do is to do the laundry and take a shower. I need to wash this. Yeah, everything that I wore, I need to wash. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock. It is already 10 minutes to 3 o'clock. Yeah, I finished at 2 o'clock. And the rice that I am eating is this rice. Yeah, the leftover from the camping yesterday. Look how small is this. That I'm going to eat it all. Lonely one, leave me alone. Lonely one, leave me alone. Oh, don't ever let me fall in love. Whoa, everywhere I go, always by my side. Don't ever let me fall in love. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. Start at 6 and finish at 2. Actually, 2:26 already when I sign out. Because I finished doing the prawn, peeling the prawn, maybe 1 kg or maybe 2 kg of prawn. Yeah, for the night shift people, they will need it. Yeah, and yeah, still smells of a prawn. I wash my hand, but still there is the smell. And we are at the moment here in Bunnings warehouse. Yeah, I'm going to buy something for the monitor that I bought online. If you've seen that last week, that I am going to put inside of that box. So I'm going to look for something to make a base, like a monitor stand, a DIY one, because the one that is ready-made is too high, the one that I saw in Kmart. But I'm going to eat first a sausage. Yeah, they are selling sausage over there. Yeah, I got this. I'm going to eat it first before going inside the Bunnings. And my phone is broken. Yeah, drops on the ground. You know, this one is not working. Inside of the glass is already broken. Not good. Just them being nice to me. Yeah, they upsell. Instead of buying just this hot dog sandwich, I also bought the Coca-Cola. Yeah, kindness upsell, you know. This is what I'm going to buy. This is $8. Yeah, and we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. There is a repair shop inside, but I don't know if they have available of this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yeah, the lens, the glass. Oh no, the guy already closed. Yeah, due to unforeseen circumstances. Now I am going to check if I need to buy a new phone, because you know, if I am going to buy a new phone, it is going to be an iPhone. Yeah, so that whoa. Oh, nice. Hiking shoes. Yeah, it will be an iPhone, so that it is easy to transfer the video or photos to my Mac computer. Because with the Samsung Galaxy, yeah, very difficult, long process. Yeah, so I went to the Optus, and they actually don't sell outright. So basically what they want is to be included it in the plan. Yeah, it is already almost 4 o'clock. I am supposed to make the monitor stand for the van, but yeah, I don't have enough time. And yeah, I'm going to browse which cell phone I'm going to buy next. How come? If I buy the iPhone 14, and then in the coming months there will be iPhone 15. Oh, not a good timing. Yeah, I'm hungry. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just got home. It's already 2:30. And now I need to do the laundry. I have this chicken. Originally my plan is to make a chicken pancit, but I don't have noodles. I have this pasta, but I don't like pasta. Oh, I saw something. Oh yeah, this one instead. The buttered chicken. will cook it just for 20 minutes. Yeah, just according to the recipe. 20 minutes. I feel very tired today. I work from 6 o'clock and finish 2 o'clock. Yeah, feeling very tired. But I want to do a lot of things. Oh, I forgot this. Yeah, this one need to be washed. Yeah, because all the white I am washing it now. Oh, about my mobile phone yesterday. Yeah, as you can see, this is already broken. It's still usable, but unable to see the other button here. You know, you see, it's blank space. And I found my old iPhone. Yeah, so I transfer my SIM card here. The problem with this iPhone is that, yeah, it runs out of battery very fast. And also yesterday I checked that the iPhone 15 is coming, yeah, this month. Yeah, and so I'm not going to buy a new phone. Maybe I am going to wait for the iPhone 15.